Hey guys, we are here with some more subscribers that just came in to see us. I'm gonna pan the camera around here. Say hello to everyone. Introduce yourselves.
Jeannie, and this is Edgar.
Jeannie and Edgar.
From Virginia Beach, Virginia.
Virginia Beach, in the house.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yes.
And they came bearing gifts. Check this out. Mercy's got a bag of goodies here.
Look at that,
El Paso. That looks like it fits me, unless you're gonna sleep in that. All right, that's mine.
He did ask me what
Yeah.
the size was.
Well, as big as a shirt as you can get. Oh, that's mine too. Oh, Mexico. Oh, Mexico. I like that one. Yeah.
The rest are
Oh,
for-
pecans. Got some pecans. Make some pecan pie with those. Oh, those. Wait a minute. No, those are cinnamon.
They're just.
Oh, those look great. Yeah. Thank you guys. Wow. Chocolate. Got some chocolate.
Oh, but this is my favorite.
Uh-oh. What's this?
Yeah.
Oh, you got some girly stuff. Lotions and smellies.
Bath and Body Works.
Oh my goodness. And another box of goodies. Like we need more of that in our bellies, right?
Why
Look
not?
at this.
Hey, why not? Life is too short.
That's right. Well, thank you guys so much. A little thing that we have in common here is I graduated and went to school at George Dewey, and so did you.
Yes, I did.
So we both went to the same high school in Subic Bay, but she one-upped me though. She said she also went to Clark Wagner, right?
No, Lily Hill Middle
Oh,
School.
Lily Hill.
Yeah,
So you were
8th
middle
grade.
school.
Yeah.
So she went to Clark, Lily Hill, where I just stayed in Subic. So she got to tour around the different base schools back in the 80s, right?
Yes,
Yeah, very cool. So yeah, similarities here, same age group, same time frame here.
Yeah.
So it's odd that, you know, I met one more classmate here.
Did you really?
Yeah, I had another classmate that came here. Gina, you know what, Gina and I never, she was off a couple years from me and I didn't hang out with many of the kids at school.
Yeah.
I was a loner. I lived off the base and didn't spend much time, but I do remember her.
Yeah.
And as we get older, you know how we all change, you
Yes,
know.
of course.
But it's so fun to run into
Yep.
people with
Always,
commonalities
yes.
like
Yeah.
that here so
Actually,
far.
I still have my George Dewey yearbook, but it was 80-82.
Well,
So
I'm actually just looking for
I know, I was looking for you, but then
I'm in there. I have there's a George Dewey website
okay.
that you can go to. I don't know, I don't have it on the top of my head, but there is a George Dewey High School website that they maintain and has all the yearbooks in there.
Yes, yeah, you gotta find it. I know.
Yeah, it's pretty
My name
cool.
is under Jeannie Longfellow though, because my stepdad, U.S. Navy, is Longfellow.
But they have all the years in there. It's really cool. You can go in there and check it out.
I want to
Maybe next time we can.
It was so cool, guys. Thanks for coming by.
Yeah. I was excited when you told me about the George Dewey. I said, no way.
Yeah, you don't meet too many people from this high school, right? Much less,
I got
hey,
all
when you have a
excited.
reunion, you got to come a
Yes.
long ways for this one.
Okay, yeah, that would be awesome. Yeah. I like
All right.
reunions,
Well, thank
yeah.
you guys.
All right,
Appreciate
thanks.
it.
Nice meeting you guys.
You too.
Finally.
All right, guys. What? Got to get everybody the picture here. All right. What is brewing here on Walking Street is this. Check this place out. It's looking like poppies more and more every day. I want to spin it around. Oh my goodness. This place just got painted today and we're getting ready to do all the accent trim. And if you've been to Poppy's Bar and Chill over in the Drake Hotel, you know what I'm talking about. So tomorrow's going to be a little different. But right now, it's got the color scheme going. I'll stand back here. All you see is a bunch of tan right now. Let me stand back here and pan around. There you go. We got a lot more coming though. We got murals being painted and everything. What do you think about it, Drake? You just got here, seeing the final, the first step of the paint.
When I come in here and I see these colors popping, it automatically makes me hungry. Makes me hungry. Makes me hungry for some Poppy's Bar and Chill Street 8, Walking Street.
I had a couple guys standing out here. We've had, let me turn this around. We've had several guys walking up here just while we've been here this afternoon, stopping like, when is it coming open? I can't wait. It looks like the restaurant already. So they were excited to see the progress as well. So yeah, a lot of people know the buzz already. His Poppy's is on the way. We just got a little more work to do. We got the kitchen next. I know you got some guys on the comments been asking, where's the kitchen? I'll show you. It's not quite ready. They're focusing on the street part right now. But yeah, we got stuff going on. We got fans, lights. We had a Tom. Yeah, the speaker's got a sound system, of course. Tom out there, Thomas, subscriber, is donating a guitar for the wall. So thanks, Tom. I just spoke to him at the restaurant this evening. So we got to find a place to hang this guitar. And yeah, license plates. We're gonna decorate the walls with plates. Bring your plates down here to Walking Street, as well as the OG spot over in the Drake Hotel. We need more plates there too. But thank you guys for all the donations and all the kind words and bringing, hell, a guitar. He said it's playable too. It's not just, he said I can play. I said, I'll knock it off the wall over here and I'll play it. We'll have to bring an amp, mount an amp on the wall. So yeah, that's happening, guys. So progress. We got the sink being built in over here. Dino threw the sink together the other day. Now he's got a backsplash going in. He's not quite there yet. Put a couple shelves up here, bar sink. Doing it right. There's going to be a lot of water there, so he's doing tile all around it. And yeah, it's starting to come together, guys. Little by little, these guys are working hard every day. It's a little dusty in here, but that's what it is.
You know what, Eric?
What's that?
Even though there's no food in here yet, when I walk in, I seen these colors. I gained 5 pounds.
You gained 5 pounds just from
walking
the
in here.
just from the paint.
Any food in here?
No kidding.
Just seeing that look like poppies.
That's right. What do you think so far? Looking good?
He's right.
Hey, your outfit matches the paint in here today.
Like a chameleon.
Yeah,
when
right.
She walked in, I know it was blue. She did that on purpose.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I know we're in these guys' way. All right, guys. Hard progress, work in progress. So yeah, we got the artists coming in, I think in a few days. Mark's made some really nice drawings or suggestions of like all the food we're serving. We're gonna put on these walls here behind me on each side, right above the eating areas. They look really good. I hope this, I've seen some of the work from this artist. She's very good. The artist you got coming, yeah, that artist is gonna really paint this place up. Anyway, it's looking good, coming together. The street is alive tonight. It's Friday night. There is tons of action already. It's not even dark yet, but there's tons of action out here. Always fun to watch the happenings, all the happenings here on Walking Street. And soon you'll get to enjoy that right here while you eat a nice meatball sub, a few tacos, bowl of chili, chili dog, all the stuff you want to eat when you're on the street.
Street eats, baby.
It's karaoke time, everybody. We got a whole crowd here, but they don't want to be on YouTube, so it's just me, guys. Except for this girl. And Hazel. And Ruth.
Yeah.
Who's next?
Yeah. Pretty good. What do you think, Greg? Pretty good.
It's all right, you know. It's no Blackpink or anything like that. I was disappointed. This place is called K-pop. There's no, I don't see Blackpink or Twice or
Nothing on
ITZY.
there.
You know,
No way.
There's no real K-pop.
Double hander.
When I'm in Angeles City, I got to stop by Poppy's Bar and chill. I fly halfway around the world to see Eric and his Senorita Mercy just to get my burger fix. I can put down some meatloaf and mashed potatoes. It's really my favorite place to eat before heading out to Walking Street.